Hello guys, how are you doing? And how's the week been so far? So let's just have a quick look at what we have for today and just to recap on what happened yesterday. So yesterday, if you remember, I stated that I wanted GU and EU to come into the premium of this range and sell from here. So you might have to rewatch yesterday's market outlook to catch that. So the expectation was for GU to come into this fair value gap or this order block and then sell from here, which we eventually got. And depending on your entry style or confirmation entry or whatever, depending on how you take a trade, um, you could have gotten an entry somewhere around here. It was a little tricky because we had multiple spikes and then it was delayed up until like afternoon. So yeah, that's for EU. GU same thing. So it got into this fair value gap and sold from here, taking out this low like we stated, and then this low is the next target, and then there's one low down here. So GU also, this is my target. It should get here now. And then if it's able to survive this fair value gap, it should get here. Now, remember I stated that because of if fair value, because of this fair value gap, I will be taking partials here. That same thing occurred here. So because of this fair value gap, you can see how the market retraced. From here to here was decent profit. So there's fair value gap, market retraces. If you do not trust your buyers or you don't have confidence in your direction, you may have been scared out of this. But that only happened because of this obstacle. So this fair value gap caused the market to retrace, then back again to this other block and then we're back down. So take I'm looking for the market to get out here and out here. So I'll just show you trades that I took yesterday. So I took Euro sales yesterday and it didn't turn out well for me. So I sold here and then the market spiked up and took me out and then kept selling. So I that kind of hurt. I wish I sold GU, but again, that's one of those things. It's one of those things that happen in the market. So this was a -1 hour trade, -1% trade, and it was very hurtful because I could have sold GU instead. Anyways, I also bought USD card, and again, if you remember, we expect USD card to be bullish because this 4 hour structure here is broken and um and yeah, so I bought USD card. It was a very slow trade, very very slow trade. But again, because once you trust your buyers, if you trust your buyers, your stop loss is in a good place. Trust your buyers, you put your stop loss in a reasonable place, and you accept the risk. There's no reason to fidget. So there was many instances where I should have probably uh, cut this cut this trade short and just left trade. But I trusted buyers. My SL was in a place that I I trusted, and and yeah, I accepted the loss. Either way, it will just be -1 hour again. The only reason why this trade would hurt me is because of the loss on EU. Aside that, it was nothing too serious. So yeah, so I have this running at about 1 to 3 now, and my target is this high. So if it gets here, fine. If it doesn't get here, I'll probably take some partials here and that's it. So for today, we're still bullish, in my opinion. We're still bullish. We should see the market come here or here. We have So we should see the market come here or here and keep buying. Should have some level of retracement into here. I don't see it taking out this Asian low. I don't see it doing that. And if it does, all good. There's fair value gap here that I can buy from. So still bullish. I see this fair value gap as a detour to the bullish move. So it may cause the market to retrace a little bit. And then from here, keep buying to take out this. So this is my drawn liquidity. If you want to map out your market maker sell or buy model, this is going to be, redistribution, and this is going to be smart money buys. Then we have from here, and then we buy. This journey is awkward. So yeah, that is it for me. I think we'll find buys somewhere around here and take out this side. So this side is the ultimate draw liquidity for the week. If it gets here today, I'll be done for the week. In fact, I don't think I want to trade today. I'm not going to look for trades today. I'll just hold my trade from here up until here. So yes, but again, that's just that's one of those things you say you won't trade and then you trade. Because I remember I stated that I won't be trading USD card. But anyways, so yeah, that'll be it. Looking for more sales into here and into here. Same thing, looking for sales into here, whichever way it presents itself. I will be present to observe what the market does. Hopefully, I don't take a trade. I shouldn't take a trade. I don't want to take a trade. I like to protect the profits made this week. So yeah, that's it for the week. That's it for today. And again, if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. The link to my Telegram channel is somewhere in this description. So you can reach out to me and we can have a chat. All right, guys. Until next week, I wish you all peace and good luck.